Hello everyone, once again welcome back to our channel. This is a very good notification. Although this is not a central or state university, but it is a very good technical university. पहले इसको बोला जाता था कि Delhi College of Engineering, which is currently known as DTU, which is a Delhi Technological University. So PhD admission for the session 2023 admission is open for all. So advertisement is there, online registration, you have to do it. Last date for the online registration is 22nd of this month only. Then they will display the results of the shortlisted candidate on 29th. Screening December में ही हो जाएगी, declaration result भी December में, and the date of the interview itself in December. And the declaration of the final result, and you will be admitted for your final seat in December 2022 itself. And 2023 your session will be started. Now the most important things which you have to need to be considered if you are really interested to apply for this PhD program. See, there are two options: full-time research students candidate and the part-time research. काफ़ी लोग मुझसे last time भी पूछे थे कि sir please suggest some universities which are giving the part-time research student a part-time PhD. So if you want to really do a part-time research candidate, then this is a very good option for you. If you are a research student in somewhere in Delhi Technological University, then you can join here in a part-time. If you are a faculty or a scientist or working in some R&D, then also you are eligible. If you are a JRF, then also you are eligible, but without fellowship. So you can join here as a part-time if you are a staff. Now the thing is that in which department the seats are there. So this is the department column 5th, admission eligibility, discipline offered, and the discipline specific eligibility criteria. मतलब ये allied subjects हैं, मतलब आपने अगर इससे कर रखा है, then you can also eligible for this academic department. So you can check your eligibility, your bachelor's and a master's. If you are qualified, then you can apply to this respective departments. So this is the list of the department. I'm not going to read out this. Relaxation for the 5% for those category students. Now the selection criteria. You have to give the computer based test in DTU campus, but if you are qualified UGC CSIR DST DBT JRF, then you are completely exempted from this screening test. Now the reservation of seats, this is reserved for the category students. This much of table you can see. Application procedure, you have to apply through online application. You have to upload all the documents. Then you have to pay the application fees, which is 1500 rupees. Then you have to appear for the examination. See, this is the application fees, 1500 for all category of students. Now this is the information about the departments. Which are the departments and what they are doing. So if your interest is really in this particular department and your research interest is matching through this department, then you can go ahead. For example, Department of Biotechnology, what they are doing: aquaculture, algal biotechnology, bioremediation, biosensors. So these are the recent branches in which the research area is mostly working around: neuroscience, neurobiotechnology. So you can check the research area and the department under which you are planning to take admission in DTU. Now, the fees and the documents to be submitted. See, this is very important. The tuition fees at the time of admission, 12,000, then second year onwards, 6,000. This is very nominal fees, I can say, because more than that is in the private universities or even in the state university, the fees are very high. So, but in this case, I can see the only at the time of admission, AB, what is A, like tuition fees, annual fees. So 17,200 and 29,200. So this is the bifurcation, and this why this bifurcation is there. Okay, fine. A is for the teaching, non-teaching academic staff of the DTU. If you are from DTU directly, then you have to pay a less fees, that is 17,200. And if you are project staff pursuing PhD, then also say other full-time candidates, means if you are from outside, then you have to pay the B fees, that is 29,000 only 29,200, and the second year onwards only 13,000. So fee structure is very good. Infrastructure is very good of DTU. So please go ahead. I can suggest you, I can recommend you, if you are really planning to complete your PhD in NCR region, because this region will give you opportunities after PhD. So these are the documents, these are the instructions, and this is the table showing the number of the vacant seats. So you can check whether your department is there in NOC, like biotechnology, computer science, environmental engineering, humanity, got it, applied chemistry. So these are the total number of vacancies, and 69 seats are there. The number of seats are very good. These are the formats in which you have to show your category or like whatsoever details you are filling, like disability proof, income proof, etc, etc. So this is the form. Now one more thing, the syllabus of the screening test. If you are in the department in which you are eligible, like applied chemistry, so this much is their syllabus in which your examination will be there. So be careful, screening examination, computer based test is there. So you have to clear that examination first, then only you are eligible for the Delhi Technical University. So this is all about the Delhi Technical University. The university is very good, accredited with A grade, CGPA you can see 3.22 out of 4 by NAC. So please go ahead to this university if you really want to do PhD from the NCR region. So that's all for this university. Please subscribe the channel, because in this channel you can get the real experience notification, research input, job notification, and personal interaction. Thank you. Have a nice day. All the very best.